lecture I'm going to discuss about lookup source filter example in Informatica Cloud IICS. So this is the lecture 32 is there. So let's see about the lookup source filter property of lookup transformation. So first going to create one new mapping, and let's click on this create. So thereafter let's give here meaningful name m underscore lkp source underscore filter. After that, let's take here the source. So going to use the source, so let's called Oracle, and going to select the object. So selecting the object, this place. So let's select here EMP, and now thereafter let's take here the lookup transformation and specify the condition there. So incoming field here lookup object. So select the object. So selecting here Oracle Escort and going to use the object DPT. So this here DPT going to use. Now, so let's click on this preview data. And here you can see this is the data that's purchased in the DPT object. 10, 20, 30, 40 is there. And here, if I go, so if I go this place lookup condition, so there is matching things are there. So let's use prefix. On this source, going to include e underscore. Click on this OK. So there is no any matching. So here, or this is DPT number and common field between these two table. Going to use e DPT number. And here this is return field at advanced. So they're going to use here source filter, lookup source filter. So last lecture there I discussed about lookup SQL override. So before I'm going to do this, so let's see here. This is source data. So source, and here let's click on this preview. So in this EMP object, here you can see this is the data that's present and here DPT number. So this DPT number is all duplicate, but DPT number that present in EMP and DPT table. So thereafter the next is here let's select lookup condition that I specify. Okay, condition that's done here, and after that let's go on this advanced tab. So if I take the cursor on this lookup source filter, so with the help of this we can restrict the lookup based on value of data in any field in the lookup transformation. So we can restrict. So here this field, if I go on this lookup condition, here you can see this is lookup field, the name is DPT number. So let's give here DPT number. So it was written there 10, 20, 30. So let's select here 10. So 10 equal to 10. Now after that the next is, and for this one lookup cache must be enabled. If I take the cursor here you can see in the below use with lookup cache enable. So we can use with the lookup cache enable. Let's go on this target and set detail property of the target. This is incoming field that's coming from the lookup table and the source. So going to exclude some fields because I don't want all the fields there. Let's click on this configure. So here ecom and ename, that's fine. Hire date, job, MGR, this going to include ASAP and location. This excluding, so this is your deputy number. This deputy number that's come from the lookup, and there I specified the condition of this. And this deputy number that's come from source EMP table. Now let's here. So you can use the flat file, or there you can use relational table also. So let's click on this select button, and here let's click on this create connection. So here giving LKP underscore filter. Let's give here CSV this time. Click on this OK. So here, oh, that's done. Now let's save the mapping. So mapping is valid. Now click on this run. And here click on this run. So let's go on this my job. And this is starting here. And now let's go on this platform. And thereafter here let's refresh that. So this is success, 14 rows, that's proceed. And here you can see there is one LKP filter CSV file that's created. Double click on it, and here you can see. So this condition is there. So I specify when that match 10. So 10 10 match. See here, this is the DPT number of 10 that's come from a DPT number, and here this is DPT number from DPT table. Both match, then this is returning here DNAME accounting. Match, then returning the values. If that not match there, so this is not returning, that's returning the blank there. Okay. So this is the lookup filter is there. Now thereafter the next is, so let's go on this lookup, and here lookup advanced option. So this is lookup source filter. So we can give here the condition, then we can restrict the data. So 10 only one, so that other are restricted, like 30, 30, 40, that's restricted. Now if you want to include some more or data, so you can use your OR operator. Then let's give your DPT number. So this time I'm going to use your 30. So OR operator that used. Now thereafter let's click on this save button and click on this run, and here run once again. So the mapping is running, and let's click on this refresh, and now all this file that's closing. Thereafter here, so this is success now. So this times here you can see 10 and 30 that's added. So 20 that's not match, so that here this is lookup condition not match, so that it's returning blank. 30 match, so that here, and there I applied filter condition on this TP number 10 and 30 will or data will or load there. So that here 10 30 only data that's loading, others are not. So this is how we can restrict the data using a source filter transformation on this lookup or table. Okay, so this is how we can use here lookup source filter or property inside this mapping. So I hope guys this video is helpful for you. So now this video is over. So thanks for watching. See you next video. Thank you.